This Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan set is a useful addition to any kitchen. And it includes 2 pieces. You get one 1-quart pot and one 2-quart pot. These are great for different cooking tasks. And they come with lids. The copper and gray color looks nice. And the non-stick surface is a real advantage. The Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan set aims to make cooking easier. Food does not stick easily to the bottom, so cleaning up is simpler. This can save you time and effort after you cook, because there is less residue. The pots heat up well on the stove, and the lids help trap heat and flavor. However, one con might be that non-stick coatings can sometimes wear out over time. Overall, the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan set is a good choice for home, kitchen, or even a restaurant. These multi-purpose stock pots can handle many jobs, like making sauces or boiling. They are not Michelangelo quality, but they offer a practical and affordable option. If you are looking for shortcuts in the kitchen and want fewer sticky situations, this Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan set could be for you. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to keep clean, lids to keep food warm, handles for easy grip, good for sauces, good for reheating, can boil pasta, prepare meat easily. Cons: smaller pot is small, handle might be long, may tip when empty, bottom color can change. Non-stick can scratch, hand wash only 1 quart, not for induction, thinner walls. Features: non-stick, stock pot, saucepan set, with lids 1 quart 2 quarts, multi-purpose, for home. For kitchen, restaurant. This Utopia Kitchen set has 2 non-stick pots with lids. One pot holds 1 quart, and the other holds 2 quarts. These pots are made for cooking at home, in a kitchen, or even at a restaurant. They have a copper and gray color and are easy to clean because they are non-stick. You can use these pots for many things. This Utopia Kitchen set has 2 non-stick pots with lids. One small, 1 quart, and one a bit bigger, 2 quarts. Good for making sauces, reheating food, boiling pasta, and cooking meat. They are easy to clean and have handles for holding them. Keep in mind the smaller pot is quite small. The handle might feel long, and the pots could tip over when empty. The bottom color might change over time. The non-stick can scratch, and you need to wash them by hand. Also, the 1 quart pot won't work on induction stoves, and the pot walls are thin.